Good morning everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the exception, that is last concept in our Python. Already you know very well what is exception, so that can be learned in second year, right? Let us discuss about exception in another time according to our Python files. So here an exception is an error that occurs while a program is running, right? Whenever we are going to run the file, so in the runtime if we get any error, so that can be treated it as a exception, right? So when a Python script raise an exception, raise, that is it most either handling the exception immediately, otherwise it terminates and we can use try except statements to handle the exception. Okay, so if we getting in the runtime, if we gets any error, we are immediately we will solve that. Okay, so otherwise we can use try or except, we can use the try and except, we can handle that exception. Okay, and now here access two numbers and divide the two numbers. Let us see the below programs accept two numbers from the users and divides first number by the second number. However, an exception is occurred because the user entered 0 as the second number. Division by 0, that means division by 0 causes an exception because it is mathematically impossible. So already you know very well, no need to discuss briefly this one. So let us see. So accept two numbers and divide the two numbers, right? Here define main function and we are taking. So let us see in the our Python editor. This is copy and select the Python editor. Take new file, paste it. Now define main function. So in the main function we are taking three arguments, that is three variables, and now in every variable, so we are taking the number, that is that can be assigned to int and so we are taking two numbers here. So one is the first one and second one is dividing number. Okay, so here c equal to a by b, then print c. Let us run this. So first of all you need to save. For this I am saving exception, I am saving exception dot py. Save this. Let us check. Enter any number 2. So I am giving 0 here, second number. Now we are getting an exception. Let us check in correct way. So here I am taking first number 4, second number is 2. What we will get 2.0. So that is output. Okay, so if it takes by 0 to 0, so that is we are getting error here. Okay, so that is the thing. And now here example, the following program gets the name of a file from the user and then display the contents of a file, and the file will be displayed and the contents also will be displayed in the below program. And now program works as long as the use enters the name of an existing file, an exception will be raised. The file specified by the user does not exist. This is what happened in the simple run. So already you know this one, so I hope you will understand. So just read once. And next here one example is given. Now see, copy, go to Python editor, simply select new, paste here. Let us see. Main function we defined, file name. So input, enter a file name. In file, open file name, that is reading. Contents equal to in file dot read, print contents in file, close. Okay, so that is the thing. Let us run this. Enter a file name here. Okay, save, choose the path, desktop, So what is given here? So here it is employee dot txt. So now file name is not given, so you have to save with accept two numbers and dividing accept. So I have to save with this accept and divide dot py saved. Okay, enter a file name here. So I am entering employees dot txt. Okay, sorry. So let us see another time. Run module employees. You have to save this file. So we saved in Python 3.3, but you have to save in this dot py save. Let us check. Run. Enter a file name employees dot txt. That is our output, right? So this is our exception, add and dividing example. And now here handling an exception. So handling exception is nothing but if we have some program code that may raise an exception, we can define our program by placing the program code in a try block. Okay, if we raise an exception, then we are using the try block. Okay, then after the try block, include an exception statement followed by a block of code. So after giving the try in that block, we have to mention the block of code, so which handle the program is called exception handling. So here see try, the statement 1, statement 2, and after that exception name and a statement. Okay, so this much of code we are having to handle the program. The first the keyword try appears followed by a colon here. So here it is colon, and next the next a code block appear, which we will refer to as the try block appear, which we will refers to as the try block. Okay, then the try block is one or more statements that can potentially raise an exception. So here it is. So which statements are there, so that can be raise our exception. And so now so now after the try block an except cause appear, then the exception cause begins with the keyword that is except. Okay, the exception can be begins with the except, optionally followed by name of an exception and end with as colon. That is also end with colon. So here, okay, and now beginning on the next line is a block of statements that we will refers to as handler. Now see the example. Define main function. So file name is input, enter a file name, and now try. So in file, open a file in reading mode, contents a variable takes contents, that is, and which is read by the file, and that can be loaded into the in file. So now take the employees here, and in file, that is read, and prints contents in file dot close, except, that is IO, input output error, print, and error occurred trying to read the file. Now here it is, we are not giving employees, right? So here it is only file name. Let us check how we will get the exception here. Let us take new, paste, run, handling. So take the path, choose the path, Python programs, handling dot py. Okay, then save. Right, this is our exception, right? Why? Because we are not given the file name here, right? So that purpose we are getting not giving an error. So here If we takes an employees here, we are not getting an error. So but in place of employees, we given file name, that is, so that purpose we are getting an error here. So this is a exception and handling the exception. So if we gives file name here, that is employees, so we are not getting any error, so we will get the output here. Okay, so this is our exception handling. And and also we completed the second unit till now. And later, so we will go for another unit, that is third unit, that is lists, strings, sequences, tuples, etc., etc. So that is in our next class. Thank you very much.